See that arc of a rainbow? Wow. See that there? What else is available that we can't always see but is there? So looking at things from different perspectives interests me right now, because we've just had a flood in the peninsula of Inishowen, and I've been gathering perspectives from friends who have solution-oriented minds. So solutions to addressing the road issue. Like, just of note and interest, 20 years ago I heard something on the Late Late Show that attracted me, and it was people who were speaking for protecting the trees. And since then I've continued to meet amazing people who have an understanding of the value of trees, nature. I've met people who've grown their own food, and recently met some people who are really good chefs and cooks. And now that I've children, I really want them to also eat good food, care for their health, and like I've been teaching my kids to manage stress before they actually, enter the world of schools and universities and work. And I really would hope for them that they can follow their heart's desire, and that's what I've been attempting to nurture in their lives. But what's really obvious is thinking, being able to have different perspectives over a situation. So the rainbow, for example, that's still visible. To me, I like to imagine that a rainbow can appear anywhere, and I also like to feel that the gold at the end of the rainbow is within my grasp. So living in the world of positivity and openness to the magic of the world is, well, you have to try it out to know what it's like. But it also helps you expand your perspective so that you have solutions and suggestions of how you might do it. For example, roads, right? Roads are man-made routes to connect people, and bridges are man-made structures to allow transportation and to help connect people. And just today it's all gone askew with bridges and roads being broken by rain and floods. So we get a chance to do again, renew our methods of transportation, and the people who I've spoken with have some great ideas about land use and land management, and it includes understanding water, so it's not all about people connecting and transporting goods for people, or even the livelihoods of people, like our livestock. But in actual fact, it takes into account how water works and how we can live in harmony with our environment. So suggestions are available for those interested, and those interested would include people who make the decisions on the roads, and our neighbours who work in county councils. And I would just like to share, when people want to listen, for example through the PPN, if that at all can work. It's a bit laborious and demanding of the volunteers, but yeah, it's too good a place not to enjoy life. With the perpetual possibility of a rainbow. What other perpetual possibilities are there that we're not seeing? So we had a solar eclipse, and we've had a full day after the solar eclipse. And that was quite a dark afternoon with the sun being blocked out by so many clouds, giving us lots and lots of rain, making us become an island again. So this is just a little invitation to engage in conversation and listen to those who are close to nature, because they may have some suggestions, and I would be happy to convene a conversation. Kathleen, theedgeschool.net